Hello and welcome back to our channel. On today's video we're going to talk about the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. This guy right here. Yeah, right there, you can see it. So a few things about this product. It's a watermelon scent. You can spray it on painted surfaces, carbon fiber, wheels, glass, wraps, hubcaps, and you name it. So this product is a cross between a quick detailer and a spray wax. So we get a lot of questions about why it's a crossover. Well, we felt that since this product is two of them combined together, it can do a lot more usages than just the one. As an example, this product you can apply in a wet surface or a dry surface. So today what we're gonna do is, we found one of my neighbor's college student's car. It's a SUV and it's completely unprotected. So this customer just washed the car with the rain. So we offered to detail the car and we offered to do two videos. We're gonna be doing a quick detailer video and we're also gonna be doing a ceramic coating video on the plastic trim. That will be a different video. So on this video, what we wanna do is, we want to go outside, we want to show you the surface as found, which we put the garden hose to it already, and we can confirm that the surface is completely bare. There's absolutely no protection whatsoever. So what we want to do is, we want to evaluate the surface. We probably have to clay the surface or use our clay sponge, and then we want to apply the Quick Detailer Plus. But what we want to do is, we want to apply the Quick Detailer Plus to a wet surface and show you the after and a dry surface. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna go outside, prepare the hood, and then we're gonna spray the left side with the Quick Detailer Plus in a wet surface, wipe it down with a microfiber towel, do the right hand side dry, and then we wanna put the garden hose to it to see if indeed we can see something. So we're aware there's a lot of products of this type on the market, not a crossover between one and the other one, but either one or the other one. However, we have not come across a lot of products that you can apply to a wet surface. So that's something really important for us. It means that if you're short for time, you can quickly wash the car and you can spray it, dry it, and you're done. And you will have the protection and the shine. So I'm gonna flip these things around and I'm gonna go outside there and show you guys what we want to do. So let's do it. Okay, so this is the surface we're gonna be testing with the Quick Detailer Plus, Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. This surface has absolutely zero we're gonna spray the water so you can see that. So as you can see, bare. So we're gonna wash it with the Turbo Wax Foam ceramic shampoo. We're gonna go over with the oxidation and clay block, and then we're gonna spray with the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus, and then we're gonna put water behind it to see the results. So let's get ready. All right, so let's try to do this with one hand. So there's the ceramic foam shampoo, and here we have the oxidation block, the clay block, and you probably can hear that. All right, so we're gonna go on the left side with the wet application. Here we have the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus, and we just simply gonna spray it on the top. Then we're gonna do the right hand side, the conventional, and then we just simply gonna go with a microfiber towel away. And just dry the surface normal. And the right hand side, the dry side, and we changed the microfiber since the other one was a drying towel. That side is already applied. There's the quick detailer, couple splash. This 16-ounce bottle will give you over 22 applications, and we're simply gonna apply into the surface. I'm gonna flip the microfiber, dry it up. If you ever get any haze, you put too much product, but most of the time, well, you should not get any haze, period. If you do get any haze, you apply way too much, and we do not recommend it applying directly into the surface. So now we're gonna get the garden hose and see if it made any difference with the wet and the dry side. All right, so left side wet application, right side dry application, Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. So let's do the test, the time of the through. And there you have it. Okay, so we're back at the shop and you saw the results. Clearly the Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus can be applied wet or dry, and you saw the results. The water just shear out. Of course, we had to do a little maintenance on the hood because it's so neglected, but the point of the video is to show you that indeed you can apply to a dry or a wet surface. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and check us on Instagram, Turbo Wax. Check us our page, turbowax.com, and thank you for the emails and suggestions, and until next time, thank you for watching.